everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I've got something from Kwikset, a company that we reviewed stuff before, the Aura Reach Matter and Bluetooth-enabled smart lock. Yeah, we're going to be opening this up, and we're going to install this on a door, try it out, see how it works. It'll be awesome. Yeah, coming right up. Okay, so like other things we reviewed here, I think it's best we start with an unboxing. We're going to show you what is actually inside this thing, and yeah, we can kind of figure out what to do from there. All right. Yeah, okay, so let's see. We got a bunch of stuff here. Now, I installed this once before. I think this is the company that I installed the lock, and then I realized I had an issue with the lock, and I had to actually order a separate type of lock just to make this thing work. I'm kind of hoping that I won't have to do that here, but at least we've got this thing here. So, okay, so this is what we're seeing here. So we're going to be able to, boop, 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 you know, add a little combination there when we get to that. So I'm seeing a lot of SKUs in here. Now these are always fun when you get these things. Oh, okay. Hey, check these out. There's actually labels of the boxes in here, so like box 1, 2, and 3. So I'm assuming by the time we get to the instructions, there's going to be very much deep instruction as far as that. In fact, it looks like it just wants me to install the app, and probably I've noticed these things, they have the app, and then you just simply follow it, and everything works out fine. Okay, I'm assuming this goes on the inside of the door, and then there's some place for some batteries there. So yeah, does it come with the batteries? Who knows? Okay, I'm actually curious. Mark this now. What is in box 1? Okay, here we go. Let's see. All right, it does come with the batteries. I was right. All right, and it also comes with this thing, the latch. You can't really see it there, but basically, yeah, that's the thing that you put inside the door that actually causes the bolt to come out and stuff like that. Those are always fun to have. Very intriguing, actually. I kind of, I don't know, it's kind of cool to see this stuff works out. I'm always interested in the making of things and sort of how things work. Always kind of that way as a kid, but I was never really smart enough to build anything on my own here. But I got some stuff here. Okay, so we got some screws, and we got this thing, presumably goes inside the door. So that's going to come in handy when that comes in handy. I wonder how we're going to set this up here. Maybe we can do a whole thing where we show how to install it. If we do, that might be kind of fun here. I don't think we've ever really done a full exploration on that, but I really feel like we kind of should. All right. Okay, there's this thing. Something tells me this is going to be really important later on. Oh, yeah. And it also comes with a set of keys, because you never know what you might need of that. Okay, so that is going to be very important here, and but it doesn't really work very well unless, of course, we actually install it. I think it's time we cut to that footage here of us installing. Okay, I've been finished installing this thing on the door. You can see it right here. It was actually a pretty simple installation process. It took me less than a half hour to do it. I'm actually quite surprised how easy it was. So, I've got this thing on here. This is the bolt here, and as you can see, if I turn this, bolt extends. But hey, any dead bolt will do that. So why don't we use the app here and unlock it? Oh, hey, did we just do that? Yes, we did. Okay, so sometimes it takes a little while for it to recognize it. Okay. Okay, now it's locked. Let's unlock it, and there it is. Pretty simple, not bad. Okay, just for the sake of argument, let me lock it again, and just so you can see what this is, since this is a dial combination here, I want to do a take where I'm kind of dialing it up, but I don't want you to see my combination. Okay, so let's lock it up. Lock up. All right, okay, now I'm going to insert the secret combination. Okay, works pretty well. One thing you gotta notice, these things need to sort of do this, you gotta hear a beep before it does it. If I wanted to lock it, I think I could probably hit this button, lock, no problem. And I guess if I could, what does a check mark do? I don't know, but we'll find that out. Now it's time to unlock it.
I think I got it. You insert the code and then you hit the check mark.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't recall hitting the check mark after I hit the code, but well.
Other than that, I guess I don't know.
All right, focus on me. Anyway, so all right, this is a pretty good product here from Kwikset, the Aura, and let's see. I'll get you a price. I'll put it right there. We do the final in the video. So you can probably get this for yourself here and get yourself a little bit of extra protection on your deadbolt lock. There's a key here. I'm not going to show you the key because I think you guys pretty much know how a key works. Anyway, it's been Mark Owens from the Geek Church, signing off.